and Portage.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a warning for southwestern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, east central Portage County in northeastern Ohio until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ravenna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Niles, Newton Falls, Lordstown, Hilltop, Leavittsburg, Austintown, Wyndham, Craig Beach, North Jackson, Wayland, South Canal, Bollandale, Turnpike Interchange, Mineral Ridge, Champion Heights, and Howland Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Trumbull.
Jesus.
At 6 p.m., weather